Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you step by step how you can blur specific objects in your images and photos using Photopea. It is super simple guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced photo editing skills to pull this off. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. So first of all guys, upload the image or photo you would like to edit. I will go with that photo here for demonstration purposes. Now you can upload your own image or photo here on Photopea on the home screen by clicking on open from computer here and by locating the given file on your device. So guys, what you want to do after that is left click on your layer here to the right and press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate your layer. Next, right click on your duplicated layer and select Convert to Smart Object from that drop down menu. It may or may not take a moment depending on the file size. Once it's done guys, head over to the filter section here on Photopea here at the top and select Pixelate from that drop down menu. And from the following drop-down menu, select Mosaic. And after that, adjust the intensity of the blur effect here by moving that slider to the right. So let's apply a pretty strong or high blur intensity of, let's say, 100 px. Confirm by clicking OK here. Okay, so now as you can see, the blur effect has been applied to the entire image. So we want to change that. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply left click on the rectangle here to the right, left to Smart Filters, and use the shortcut on your keyboard Ctrl I. That is going to remove the blur effect, but just for a brief moment, guys. And at the last step, simply press B on your keyboard to enable the brush tool. Select white as your brush foreground color here on the left sidebar. Click on that arrow down icon here in the top left corner and adjust your pencil size, like let's say 50 or even 100. And then the last step, simply start blurring objects, specific objects in your image or photo manually, just like that, as if you were drawing. So let me blur, for example, the faces of these three women here so that they may stay anonymous. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.